Hello fellow Clipy users. I'm excited to announce Clipy version 1.5. In this version we have a new feature, the ability to copy and paste images. So let's just get straight into the demo. So I have an open Google page right here and our Clipy right now is empty. But we're going to go ahead and feeling doodly. Ooh, I love these images. Okay, so we're going to copy these 5 images. And all we have to simply do is hover our mouse over the image, right click, and now we have this new context menu item called copy image data. So we're going to go ahead and do this for all 5 of these little images. This one, and this one, and this one. Okay, now when we open Clipy, we've got ourselves all 5 of these images. So I have a Figma design file open right here, and let's go ahead and just copy these, paste these into there. So I selected the first one. Now I'm going to just do a Control V, and there we go. We have this pretty big image, and it looks pretty good actually. I'm going to move this to the side here, and I'm going to paste in a couple more of these. Interesting. And we can obviously with Figma you can change the size and all that stuff. So let's do the last one. This one's a pretty cool one. And I'll also just do paste here just to show you that it works. Oh, it looks like we'll just cancel that. And there the other images are. Okay, cool. We didn't lose some. So now we have the ability to do copy and pasting of images. But we also can paste these images onto external programs like Paint or Photoshop. I don't have Photoshop, so I'm just going to use Paint as the example. So I have an empty Paint file right here, and we're just going to immediately paste. And we should get this image. We'll go back to Clipy. We'll grab this one. We haven't used this one yet. And we'll go back to Paint and paste. And now we have this image. So we can now copy and paste between programs as well, which is pretty exciting. I see this feature being very useful for people who are into UX UI, who are designers, people who work with images all day long and have to, move these images from program to program, tab to tab. Clipy should make it easier for you now. Another new thing is so with specific to images, we have a new external site button. So when we click this, it sends us to the absolute path of the image. And this is a good feature if you want to also be able to download the image as well in the future. So we'll close this. One of the drawbacks to this is that GIFs, while you can save them in Clipy, when you paste them into Figma or some other program, it only pastes the static image. It doesn't maintain the animation frames. And I can show you here. So I have Giphy here, and we'll pick, I don't know, today's Friday, so this looks very appropriate. Select this one. And we'll go ahead and copy it just like all the other images. So we'll copy image data. That was funny. We'll scroll all the way to the bottom here, and here we have it. We can see that the GIF is still animated here, but once we select this, we'll go to Figma, scroll down just a little bit, and when I paste it, all we get is a static image, unfortunately. This is an unfortunate thing that Chrome prevents you from. Well, I don't even know. Chrome just doesn't store GIFs properly. The animation gets lost on paste. So it's an unfortunate drawback, but that's why I added the external link here so that if you want to go here and save the image, you can still go ahead and do that. So we'll close that as well. Other than that, I think that goes over everything. I'm super excited for this feature. I hope everyone else is. I hope it's a game changer for those who are in design and UX UI. Yeah, Clipy is free, and it will always be free. So go out there, use it. Hopefully it makes your life better and easier and more productive. So thank you for your time, and have a good rest of your day.